Hello, Wizardos here. Today is also the time to catch up with, so welcome to Event of Cyber 2024, Day 6. It is St. Nicholas Day. Hope you had a really nice one. But yeah, if you don't know what AOC is, refer to my first video. I explained it briefly, or just read the first link in the description. It's going to be there. Everything about how it works, how to participate, what are the prizes. If you want to straight up join us in this cool way to wait for Christmas, just click the second link. Alright, Day 6, from what I've seen, is also a blue, Team 1. They hold sandboxes. Let's not make this intro any longer. Leave a like and let's go. Mere malware was scheming, quite full of light, to ruin Sockmas and frighten Sock teams. But Glitch and Max Kitty had spoiled his plan by uncovering secret that exposed the man. Mere malware slammed his hand on the table, his eyes narrowing as the report flashed on his screen. Glitch and Max Kitty had uncovered his trail. He took a deep breath, calming himself. No matter, he muttered. The sinister grin formed. They may have found me, but haven't stopped me. His confidence stemmed from the malware he had crafted, so devious and advanced that it would easily evade detection. But before unleashing it to wreak havoc on Sock teams and ruin Sockmas, there was one final step. He needed to test in a sandbox. We're gonna learn how to analyze malware behavior using sandbox tools, how to use YARA rules to detect malicious patterns, how malware evades antiviruses, and how to implement an evasion technique to bypass YARA rule detection. We're gonna start the VM today, but we're just going to have a split screen. Let's start it. I'm going to connect to it via RPC or SSH. I'm just going to use this box here. A sandbox is an isolated environment where malicious code is executed without affecting anything outside of the system. Often, multiple tools are installed to monitor, record, and analyze the code's behavior. Mere malware knows that before his malware executes, it needs to check if it's running on a sandbox environment. If it is, then it should not continue working with its malicious activity. To do it, so he has settled one technique, which checks the directory C/program files present by querying the registry path. HKLM, software, Microsoft Windows, current version. This value can be confirmed by visiting the registry path within the registry editor as shown below. To open the registry editor, navigate to the start menu. On the bottom, select Run and regedit and press Enter. This directory is often absent in sandboxes or other virtualized environments, which could indicate that the malware is running in a sandbox. Here is what it looks like in the programming language. C. We first create a array of strings, so of characters, so a string. Then we query the first string, so registry path, so we input this string here, and then this string here. So we just build the command up from pieces, then we execute it and check the query. The flag redacted. Alright, flag is redacted, so that's probably what we are looking for. Don't worry, you don't have to understand every detail of this code, and it means that this function is designed to check the system registry for a specified directory path. I explained to you, so you know more. Can YARA do it? Mere malware knows that Max Kitty is a big fan of YARA rules. YARA is a tool used to identify and classify malware based on patterns in its code. By writing custom rules, analysts can define specific characteristics to look for, such as particular strings, file headers, or behaviors. And YARA will scan files or processes to find matches, making it invaluable for detecting malicious code. Male malware does not think such a simple tool can detect his malware, but just to be sure he has to test it out himself. To do this, he wrote a small script that executes a YARA detection rule every time a new event is added to the system monitor log. This particular YARA rule detects any command that tries to access the registry. Right, we have description by whom, and yeah, let's understand the contents. In the string section, we have defined variables that include the value to look out for, CMD. In the conditions section, we define when the rule will match the scanned file. In this case, if any of the specified strings are present. So we can just see. So for example, if someone looks for this or for this, then you treat it as if it was present. For this testing, Mayor Malware has set up one function script that runs the YARA rule and logs a true positive in C tools YARA matches. Open up a PowerShell window, navigate to C/tools, and use the following command to start up the EDR. So with PowerShell, we go to cd C/tools. Dang it, PowerShell looks so clean. / jingle bells.ps1. Right, looks amazing. No new events found. Alright, it's running. This tool will run on the system and continues to monitor the generated events log. It will alert you if it finds any activity event that indicates the registry mentioned above key is being queried. Now to run the malware by navigating to C tools malware, double clicking on Merry Christmas.exe. You can just open it here and go to malware, I guess that's it, and just execute Merry Christmas. Let's wait. If our custom script did its job, we should have witness pop up by our EDR with a flag included as shown below. This will be the answer to the question below. You can now exit the custom EDR by pressing Ctrl and C. Let's try and run it again. And you know what's the best? It did not discover anything. If the pop-up does not show up, hover over the PowerShell item in taskbar command. It should show that pop-up was generated. And you see, it wasn't. So we have a problem. Yep, right now it was. We got log. Oh, it started running. THM glitch was there. Let's answer the first question. THM glitch was here. Send it. Yep, it's correct. Alright. Coming back. We did not have this. We had this. Yep. Let's close it like okay. Now we can terminate the EDR. By click Ctrl and C. Yep. Terminated. Adding more evasion techniques. I'd seen that YARA can detect the evasion that Mayor malware has added. No worries, because we can make our malware even stealthier by introducing obfuscation. Code PowerShell commands to query the registry. Then prepare the PowerShell execution command. Right, so just type in PowerShell code command, and here we place this string. Then we execute and check if it was successful or not. The code above does the same thing. Query the same registry key to get the information about the program data. The only difference is that the query is not coded using base 64, and the code uses the PowerShell to execute the query. The encoded string can be checked by decoding it using tools like CyberChef, as shown below. While obfuscation is helpful, we also need to know that there are tools available that extract the obfuscated strings from malware. One such tool is Floss, a powerful tool developed by Mandiant that functions similar to Linux strings tool, but it's optimized for malware analysis, making it ideal for revealing any concealed details. Let's try it. We use cd then floss. Yeah, I mistyped it. cd floss /exe /tools /malware /mary Christmas.exe. You can save the file. Alright, so just save out file c /tools/malstrings.txt. I sometimes can never get used to think that Linux has their slashes like Linux has the slashes like this, and Windows has them like this. And it's fairly weird. Let's analyze the program. We can read. The above command can take up to 2 minutes to complete. In the meantime, let's break down the command. It scans for strings in the binary Merry Christmas. If any hardcoded variables were to find the malware, Floss should find them. This symbol redirects the output of the command in front of it to the output of the command behind it. Out file is just saving results to a file called malstring. Once the command is open malstring and press Ctrl F and search for string may or malware. Enter the flag as the answer to question 2. Format is THM. Alright, let's maybe read more. Using YARA rules, also Sandboxing. These YARA rules are becoming pain to your malware's backside. If he wants his malware to be undetectable, he needs to research how YARA rules can be used to stop him. For example, his research tells him that YARA rules can also be used to check cinnamon logs for any artifact left by a malware. He'll need to test this as well. Sysmon is a tool from Microsoft's internal suite, continuously monitors and logs system activity across reboots. This Windows service provides detailed event data on the process creation, network connections, and file changes, valuable insight when tracing malware behavior. A YARA rule will look for events with event ID prescribed for this to work. There are many entries in the Sysmon log. Make it easier to find the event we are looking for. We'll apply a custom filter using the event record ID that we can see in the log YARA matches.txt located in ctools. Open a PowerShell window and enter the following command to check the contents of the EDR file. Get contents, yeah, let's go 1.3 app. Now we can get content YARA matches.txt. We can see that event ID was always 1. Note down the event ID recorded. Event record ID. So it's this one. It's a bit different in every case. We'll use this value to create the custom filter in the Windows Event Viewer. Next, open the Windows Event Viewer by clicking on its logo in the taskbar, and on the left side navigate to Applications and Services. Alright, let's start. It's not AWS, it's 7-zip. No, they have a guide right here, nice. Windows Administrative Tools, probably. And we can go to Service Logs to be. Click on this logo and the taskbar, navigate to Applications and Services log. Windows, yeah. Windows Sysmon operational. I guess will it be this one. Because they have this idea that they're going to pin everything. Yes, that's exactly the event viewer. Continue by navigating. Yeah, and we go to Applications and Server Logs. Here. Go to Microsoft Windows Sysmon Operational. Yeah. Let load, let load, let load. Microsoft, Windows. Then it's sysmon. CD storage, smart screen. Sysmon and operational. Yep, that's exactly what we want to read. Continue navigating to filter current log, which is yeah, filter current log. We get the window exactly like this. Then we go to XML and add the query manually. Yes, I want to. And then we copy the following filter into this box. Right, let's copy it again. Copy. Query list. Query ID equals 0. Path equals Microsoft Windows sysmon / operational. Select path equals Microsoft Windows sysmon / operational. By the way, if you ever are learning and you want to reconsider whether you should retype or just copy, if you have time and if you want to do it, then always choose retyping, because when you type, it sticks to your brain more. Event record. Instead of being just consumer, write it yourself. Insert record ID here. So we need to go back to PowerShell. Let's say 127.891. This will be 127.891. 127.891. Yep. Now we close the first one, the second one, and the third one. I don't know, make it a bit bigger. Oh, definitely better. Now we just close all the tags, so select. And this is also the thing with XML, that it writes its tags in uppercase, as well as most of the XML is written in uppercase, yet a standard web development with HTML is to write everything lowercase. So when you see something that has not really typical build and looks like HTML, that's XML. / query list. Alright. I think it should work. We're gonna see. Okay. The event log specified was invalid. Good to know. Oh yeah, first I see I did not close this thing. Second, I see I did not close this thing. Okay. This one, we have just one information. Replace the event recorder with one recorded before. That's what I've done. Apply the filter by clicking OK. Now we get the event related to malware. Click on the event, then the details. You should get the following input. Alright. Process guide. We have it read program failures. Let's take a look at the event data that's valuable to us. The parent image. Let's find it. Parent image Key shows us which parent process spawned the cmd.exe process to execute the registry check, so it was also cmd.exe. We can see if what was our malware located at ctools malware Merry Christmas.exe. The parent process ID and the process ID keys are valuable for follow-up research. We could also use them to check other logs for related events. The user key can help us. Yeah, let's find the user first. User key here help us determine which privileges were used to run the command.exe command. The malware could have created a hidden account and used that to run commands. Then it's command line, which command was run in detail. This is exactly a query HTML software program files. And UTC time, it's essential for creating a time frame for the malware's operation. Time frame can help you focus on threat never hunting efforts. I'm gonna give you up. I love this picture. This malware, it seemed, wasn't quite ready for town. There are watchers and scanners all ruled by the town. If I'm not careful, they'll catch all my fun. Mere malware leaned back, tapping his fingers thoughtfully on tape. All of this research had revealed an unsettling truth. His malware, as cunning as it was, wasn't ready yet for the wild. There were too many tools and too many vigilant eyes. Analysts, armed with YARA rules, SysMon, and a host of detection techniques that could expose his creation before it even had a chance to spread. He clenched his first, a determined glint in the eye. He's like, just a little more fine-tuning, he murmured. He would study, adapt, and evolve his malware until it was truly undetectable. When the time was right, he would unleash it upon the unsuspecting SOC teams, striking when they least expected. But for now, he would wait, watching, planning, and he was perfecting his crafts in the shadow. Was the flag found in mouse documents after running floss? Oh, it was in tools, it just spit out the mouse strings. Find some nothing, really nothing. I think I've seen it. Yep, there is THM hidden clue. Alright, so that's it. Day 6. Here it is, it's done. Done and dusted. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you really enjoyed it. Leave a like, subscribe if you like my content. And yeah, see you tomorrow, or from even today, with another Day 7 of the challenge.